Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I am going to discuss about some important GK questions. So friends, watch this video till the end. First question is, who introduced the Khalsa system? Answer, Guru Gobind Singh. Guru Gobind Singh introduced Khalsa system. Next very important question. When was the Harappan civilization discovered? Answer, 1921. Harappan civilization was discovered in 1921. Next, who founded the Bharat Sabha? Answer, Surendranath Banerjee. Surendranath Banerjee founded the Bharat Sabha. Next very important question. In what year was the Arya Samaj founded? Answer, 1875. Arya Samaj was founded in 1875. Next, which ruler repelled the Hun invasion? Answer, Skandagupta. Skandagupta repelled the Hun invasion. Next, in which year was the Montagu-Chelmsford Reforms Act introduced in India? Answer, 1919. Okay, Montagu-Chelmsford Reforms Act was introduced in India in 1919. Next, who composed the Kalpasutra? Answer, Bhadrabahu. Bhadrabahu composed the Kalpasutra. Next, during the reign of which king did the Koivarto rebellion take place? Answer, Mohipal II. During the reign of Mohipal II, Koivarto rebellion took place. Next, in which year did the first Anglo-Maratha war take place? Answer, 1775 to 1782. Okay, Anglo-Maratha war took place firstly 1775 to 1782. Next, in what year was the Treaty of Basin signed? Answer, 1802. The Treaty of Basin was signed in 1802. Next, in which year was the Indian Constitution first amended? Answer, 1951. The Indian Constitution was first amended in 1951. Next, in what year was the communal partition policy implemented? Answer, 1932. The communal partition policy was implemented in 1932. Next, during whose reign did Ibn Battuta come to India? Answer, Muhammad bin Tughlaq. During the reign of Muhammad bin Tughlaq, Ibn Battuta came to India. Next, who wrote Kitabul Rehla? Answer, Ibn Battuta. Ibn Battuta wrote Kitabul Rehla. Next, in what year did the third battle of Torain take place? Answer, 1216. Okay, the third battle of Torain took place in 1216. Next, what year did the battle of Karnal take place? Answer, 1739. The battle of Karnal took place in 1739. Next, who was the founder of the All India Kisan Sabha? Answer, Sahajananda Saraswati. Sahajananda Saraswati was the founder of All India Kisan Sabha. Next, who published the Somprakash newspaper? Answer, Ishwarchandra Vidyasagar. Ishwarchandra Vidyasagar published the Somprakash newspaper. Next, where was the second Buddhist council held? Answer, Vaishali. The second Buddhist council was held in Vaishali. Next, in what year did the War of Captivity take place? Answer, 1760. The War of Captivity took place in 1760. Friends, in this video I have already discussed 20 questions. All questions are very much important for your any kind of competitive exam. I hope this video will help you to increase your knowledge. And friend, if you want to get another video, you can go to my channel. There you will get a playlist. From there you can watch any kind of video. Friends, you can also subscribe my channel and press the bell button to get the notification of the next video. Thank you for watching my video.